All right, guys, today we are going to unbox the FreeScan UE Pro 2. Now, if you're already talking to one of our guys and you're getting your quotes set up and figuring out the software you need and everything else, this video will show you exactly what comes with the unit in the box when you buy it from visionminer.com. So let's just get right into it. It comes in a really big box. Yeah, big box. First things first, a lot of foam. And then, of course, the Pelican case for travel, but also on the side here, it comes with a wireless router. I mean, what scanner comes with a wireless router? That's pretty freaking sweet. And then, of course, some power accessories and the Pelican case. All right, so here is the Pelican-style case that they come in. All of their scanners come in these great cases, or most of them, and it's just a great way to be able to travel and not really worry about your equipment banging around in a backpack or something like that. And obviously, with an investment of this caliber, having a good transport and storage case is critical. So props to Shining 3D for that, and let's check out the inside. So, as you can see, we have the envelope with certain things inside. This includes the quick start guide for the FreeScan UE Pro 2. And that gives you a whole bunch of different little tips and tricks and some software guides and all sorts of stuff so that you know how to get going. And then, of course, the calibration certificate. Now, this tells you all of the different certifications it has, when it was certified, and all of that good stuff there. So that's good to just keep around. And then, of course, we get to the goodies inside. We've got a USB-C cable and a power bank. Now, this power bank is pretty cool because it's a wireless unit. So this is going to be something that you sort of hold in your pocket while you're doing the scan so that you have extra power. Moving right along, we've got the power adapter block and the power cable. And then these little clip things, these are cool little clips. These have adhesive on the back and you can just put them on your desk or on the side of a desk, and then that will take the cable and sort of anchor it. So if you're connected to a computer or something and you don't want to yank it out of the computer, it's just a handy little tool to have. Here we have the data cables for the actual scanner, a little bit more robust than the HX and the FreeScan combo, but very, very similar. So you've got this little type of quick fit, quick release power socket and a data cable right there. And then we've got this cable, this small cable, which connects to here and then connects to USB-C. And of course, a little Ethernet that connects to USB-C. So if your computer or laptop doesn't have a Ethernet port, which is more and more common these days, you've got everything you need to still plug it in there. And of course, we have one of their nice little plastic marker removal tools, which is really just a little plastic scraper that's less marring than something like a razor blade. And of course, you have markers. So it comes with unlabeled markers, but these ones are the 3mm and a lot more of the 6mm. And that is for really, you want to use the 3mm markers when you're doing very small detail scans, and then use the 6mm for everything else. That's really the best practice. Then, of course, we have these scale bars, and this is what allows the UE Pro 2 to do much larger scans and still maintain volumetric accuracy. So these are magnetic. Demonstrate that real quick. I can slap it right on to the 20-X V4. There we go. Now, if this machine was about 15 feet long, then that's when I would want to use these. But very easy to apply, very easy to use, and it gives the scanner that full volumetric accuracy at much larger distances than you would normally get. And they're made of carbon fiber, so not only do they look super cool, but they're really, really lightweight as well. So next we have the dongle. Now this dongle is what you're going to have plugged into your PC or computer while you're using the scanner to activate it. And then of course you have the little micro USB disc that they include with some software and manuals and stuff like that, just in case you don't already have those things and you need it without an internet connection. Lastly, and definitely not least, the beautiful, the amazing, the incredible FreeScan UE Pro 2. This is a beast of a unit. It's beautiful. It looks cooler than the other ones do because it's in black plastic, and it's just got all these cool features, so it looks like it's from the future, you know what I mean? But really, really cool. So you've got your lenses over here, you've got laser projectors in here, you've got lights around each lens. You plug everything in back here. Very nice unit, I like it, it's pretty light. These things are way more accurate than all the other scanners that we have. These things are metrology inspection, and that is why they cost what they do, because they're for the professionals that need that hyper accuracy. And these units are the ones that provide that. So if you're doing inspection at a machine shop or anything like that, hit us up. Definitely consider one of these units, and if you haven't already, get on a live demo with one of our guys and we can guide you through whatever you need just to make sure to qualify if your application or your business actually needs this, and if it does, we want to make sure it works for exactly what you're doing, which is why we put a huge emphasis on live video demos or even in-house demos. So if you come by down here in Southern California, you can come to our shop and you can get a demo, or from wherever you are in the comfort of your home or office, we will do a video live demonstration with whatever you want. You can ship us a part, or we'll pick something that's similar to what you're doing and actually consult you to make sure you're getting the correct equipment for what it is you're doing. And you're not going overkill and you're not going underkill and not going to be able to get the job done. You want to make sure that you buy right and buy once, so get the unit that's going to do the job for you. This unit has 50 laser lines, high-speed scanning. It's also got the 7 parallel lines for the super intricate details, and it's got the single laser line mode for deep holes and pockets and things like that also. It's also got the binocular photogrammetry, so you don't need the coded markers, but you can also use those, and that's really good for the large objects. That's the scale bars I was showing off earlier. That's for incredibly large objects. It's volumetric accuracy, so that over 0.2 millimeter per millimeter cubed, and then it's plus or minus 0.1 or something, right? So that lowers this to 0.01 or even less. That's the volumetric accuracy. So if you're doing large scale inspection, metrology grade, super hyper detailed or hyper accurate inspection or reverse engineering, then you would want this over something like the Libre, which is a similar price point, but this is going to be way more accurate, right? It's also, of course, got the wireless capability, which is fantastic. Having that wireless and not having to be connected to a laptop or a PC is a huge advantage. So really it is, again, for those serious guys out there that need the metrology grade accuracy, the super hyper accurate points, and if you need to do that on a large scale, which comes into play a lot for aerospace, like plane wings or bodies, like the entire fuselage of a plane, you would want this unit, or a boat, or other things like that. That's where this scanner really comes into play. We've got a whole lineup of other scanners here at Vision Minor, from the hobbyist grade all the way up to the almost 6 figures metrology inspection. We've got the entire lineup, and our team is trained to use them. We provide value, and we hope you buy from us. All right, so I packed this thing back up. We finished our job. We're going back home. Awesome. It worked great. Fantastic. Everything has its nice little space that it fits perfectly into. Oh, and I gotta say, there's one thing I forgot. How did I almost forgot. Yes, you still do need to calibrate this scanner when you get it. So at the bottom here is the standard calibration board. Oh, you also get this nice little case, and this is actually this is a sleeve sort of pocket thing for the power bank. So it just fits in there like that. Boop. It's the details, right? And there you have it, the FreeScan UE Pro 2 for serious metrology grade inspection 3D scanning. If you got more questions or you want a live demo like I mentioned before, just give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here to help, and we love hearing about your projects. So looking forward to hearing from you soon. Have a positive rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.